Michelle Keegan had to battle the bad weather as she left BBC's The One Show studios on Tuesday night. Former Coronation Street star Michelle may have just had her hair done before her TV appearance, but sadly her perfect curls did not stay in place as she stepped outside and into stormy London. The actress could hardly see anything as the windy weather blew her brunette locks into her face, leaving her squirming as she tried to contend with the elements. Laughing as she attempted to brush her tresses aside, Michelle could barely keep her eyes open against the force of the wind, as her companions followed her to her vehicle. Despite the awful weather messing up her hair, Michelle otherwise looked perfect as she sported a minimal makeup look and her cheeks flushed pink in the cold. She wore a gorgeous off-the-shoulder navy blue jumpsuit with a plunging neck and buttons down the front as she made her TV appearance to talk about the return of popular series, Our Girl. The actress still managed to smile for cameras. The slinky jumpsuit had a belt which she tied around the waist, accentuating her toned physique while she did her best to smile for the cameras, and she had to pull her jumpsuit up to prevent herself from spilling out of it as she walked to her car in the risque ensemble. During her appearance on The One Show, Michelle opened up about her long-distance relationship with The Only Way Is Air's star-turned-TV presenter, Mark Wright, confessing she would never make a permanent move to America, where he currently lives. She said, "I'd love to work in America but I couldn't see myself living out there full-time. I'm a home bird." Mark is staying in Los Angeles after his contract with TV show Extra has been extended, and the pair are currently flying back and forth to see each other. Speaking to The Sun's Bizarre column, Michelle added that she wasn't fazed speculation that their marriage was on the rocks. "I ignore those rumors and just stay positive," she confessed. The pair recently reunited as they made the most of Mark's trip to the UK to cover the royal wedding for Extra, and enjoyed a rare date. Soaking up the sun, the couple hit a spot of al fresco as they headed to celebrity hotspot Seychelles, like his wife. Mark also claimed that the relationship was stronger than ever. During an interview on Lorraine, "As long as you see each other enough, it keeps things fresh," he said. "While we're young and we're still so in love and so happy, and she's traveling around the world with her work, why not?"